Hey guys, so I'm so excited to be doing the unboxing for the June cloth and paper subscription box. I just got the box in the mail and yeah, I'm so excited to get started. So first off, this is obviously the box that it comes with. I ripped off the front because it had my address on it. So as usual, this is what the box looks like every month. And when you first open up inside, you get this what would you call this, like a cardstock paper of everything that's included in this month's box. So you have description of dashboards, inserts, ollie clip, drop sticker sets, and journaling cards. And this is a picture of what kind of everything looks like. So yeah, so let's get started. So the lovely tissue paper as always. So I guess the first thing that we'll start off with are these plastic discs. They're from Cloth and Paper. They're 1.5 inch. It says 8 discs per pack. So this is awesome. It just has like the website on the back. Yeah, this is awesome because I'm gonna be using this as a what is it called? Like to archive my HP mini inserts. I think that would be really cool because I already have not inserts. I already have discs that I use that I love. So yeah, so this would be great for archiving, or maybe I'll just set up an additional notebook. I'm not exactly sure yet, but yeah, this is an awesome addition to this box. Next thing that I see in here, it looks like this is a minimal shape sticker set in the color Venice, and it looks like we get 5 sticker sheets. So I'm really excited about these specific sticker sets, and I hope that they come out with more colors. Oh wow, this is so pretty. So can you guys see that? Okay. So kind of, hold on, let me see if I can like, I think this is better if I use this as like the surface for that. So it looks like these are transparent drop stickers. So freaking cute and so pretty and transparent. I hope that the uni pens can write on these. This is so beautiful. So yeah, so we got this size. Then we have the smaller ones in here, so that's so pretty. We have the bigger size, which looks like this. We have, it looks like a combo sheet, really cute, and another combo sheet. So yeah, I think that's a really decent amount of stickers. Personally, I'm more of a fan of the circles than I am the drop stickers, but these are still great and I'm obviously still going to use them. So I'm excited to try these out. And let's see, what's the next thing that I see in here? So this looks like we got July and August horizontal weeklies. And I don't remember if I mentioned this, but I do get the HP mini size every month as my planner size. Yeah. So it's a little bent, but that's okay. So this is what it looks like. Love that. I love that it has like the monthly calendar, and yeah, so this is really cool. So love that. Definitely going to be using that. I do think that they also mentioned that every month they're going to be including like monthly inserts, if I'm not mistaken. So that's really awesome. Like if you kind of don't have monthly inserts, I wouldn't even go about buying them, just because if you're subscribed, you're going to be getting these every month for the rest of the year, from what I understand. So yeah, so we got July and August. The next thing that I see in here, oh my god, this is the beautiful Ollie Block cloth and paper matte black magnetic clip. And from what I understand, this is not going to be available on the website. I think this was exclusive to the sub box. So that's pretty exciting. Oh wow, this is so nice. Yeah, this seems to be a lot thinner than the ones that I've had in the past, which is great. It's a beautiful velvety matte, I guess what would you call this, like material. And yeah, so on one side it has like the CMP logo, the other side has the Ollie Block logo, and this is what it looks like on both sides. So yeah, so really excited about that. I'll be honest, like I really don't use Ollie clips that much, but I think it's still like a great addition and stuff, so obviously I'm going to be using it. The next thing that I see in here, it looks like these are the half page graph notes, which look like this. So this is really great. Love these. You can't go wrong with these. Next thing, I guess I'll just like pull this out. So this is the M notebook cover, and this is great. Like it's like a front and a back, which I'll save you guys time. I'm not gonna like go about opening it because you kind of see like what it looks like. And it says a measure of space that is equal to the square of the type body. The larger the type size, the larger the M space. So really pretty, really aesthetic. Love that. So yeah, so obviously you can make a notebook out of this. And it's really nice, heavy duty material. And the next thing that I see in here are these HP Mini Duo Graph and Blank inserts. So these are great as well. You can use these for literally anything, for like project management, starting a business, school notes, health tracking, life tracking, pretty much anything that you can think of. These are great for that as well. And let's see what we have in here. We have like 3 more things in here. So the first thing that I see in here is the marbled dashboard, which looks like this. Very pretty. It looks like this is a what is this? This is like a smooth, yeah, a smooth cardstock finish. So very pretty, very nice, very aesthetic. Love that. And then we have this Estate, someone with deep sensitivity to the beauty of art or nature. Love that. This looks like ballet, or it reminds me of ballet, so this is really pretty. Love that. And I kind of just want to open it to see like if it's like the velvety cardstock or not. Yeah, so this is just the regular cardstock, which is still great. I think it's really nice as it is, so love that. And then the last thing in here are the journaling cards, which look like this. So quickly I'll just open them up. And it looks like, based on this picture, we get 4 journaling cards. Let's see what they look like. So, first one we got here, we got the August monthly. Ooh. Sorry about that. I just sneezed. I tried to hold it back, but like that didn't work. So yeah. Anyways, where was I? And this is the August monthly, what would you call this? Journaling card. It's frosted. I love that. Another cardstock we have here. There are all these moments you think you won't survive, and then you do. So beautiful. Love that. This actually relates to my life right now. I can definitely say that, because I'm going through a pretty tough time right now. But yeah, so this is really great to see that and to see this message. And then this is the last journaling card. It says, just be in the moment. Our minds give us so much to consider, but sometimes being present is all we need to do. So love that. So yeah, so definitely amazing value for this box. $38. And also the great thing about this box is you also get points every month. So literally, I think I don't know if it was this month's box or the previous month's box, but I got like, I think $15 off the box. So when you subscribe every month, I think you get like 100 or so points, and they add up and you can use them towards future boxes, which is great. It's an awesome value, awesome deal. Even if there wasn't like a reward system, I'd still be subscribed. So honestly, like I was thinking about unsubscribing, but then like I got this box and I was like, this is like so good, and I can definitely use everything, and the value in this box is definitely amazing, and I just love stationery stuff in general. So I will still be subscribed for the following months, definitely. So anyways, let's do a quick recap of everything that we received in this month's box. We have the 4 journaling cards, the Estate cardstock dashboard, this marble dashboard, this graph and blank insert, these notebook covers, these half-page graph inserts, the Ollie block clip, the July and August monthly inserts, which is great. That, or technically it's the horizontal weekly inserts, but it's for the month of July and August. And these sticker sets in Venice, and of course the plastic discs. So yeah, so, and then again, in case you just want to see what's inside, and this little little card thingy that comes with it. Okay. So yeah, anyways, love this box. Love the company. Amazing customer service, amazing products. Definitely will be subscribed, as I said. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment below and let me know if you're currently subscribed, and if you are, what was your most favorite thing that you received in this month's box. For me, I would probably say, the most exciting thing is the sticker set, just because I've been needing more stickers because I'm close to running out. So that was perfect timing for me. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing weekends, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.